im dash and in dash. An im dash is a long dash that sets off a word or clause to add emphasis, indicate an interruption, or expand on an idea. An in dash is a mid-sized dash that indicates ranges in numbers, dates, and times by replacing the word to. It can also help maintain clarity with compound adjectives. Spaces should not be placed before or after an im dash or in dash. The names of both dashes comes from their length. An im dash is approximately as long as the width of a typed letter M, and an in dash is about as long as the letter N. The im and in dash are not the same as a hyphen, which is shorter than both dashes. Hyphens can bind words or groups of words. You should insert im dashes in place of commas or parentheses to accentuate the extra information set off by the punctuation mark. In this example, the extra information, the carpenter and bricklayer, is set off with im dashes because it is information that tells more about the workers, but isn't crucial to understanding the sentence. In a sentence containing a clause that explains, summarizes, or expands the information dramatically or intensely, an im dash can replace the colon or semicolon that connects the ideas, but avoid using an im dash as a replacement for colons and semicolons in formal writing. Im dashes can be used to introduce lists or define phrases, such as listing the types of drinks in this example. To show when someone's speech is interrupted, you can use an im dash. An im dash typically signifies being cut off rather than trailing off of ellipsis. Use im dashes to show an abrupt change or break in thought. In this example, next Tuesday or maybe Wednesday shows a change in thought. An in dash indicates to, through, and up to and including when listing numbers, dates, scores, and votes. In this example, chapters 6 to 8, an in dash is used in place of the word to. One exception to this rule is if a sentence contains from or between before the number range. Then do not use an in dash and write out the word to or and. For example, from chapters 6 to 8. Incorporating an in dash in an adjective that includes an open compound word can help maintain clarity. An open compound is made up of two words that are separated by a space. In this example, the in dash lets the reader know that award and winning should be recognized as a single idea. An in dash can connect a proper noun to a word used to indicate another connection, like in this example, a James Dean-like voice.